Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this piranha plant on Dress to Impress. So this is what I wore for the custom face. It's just this in red and then these in black and the rest in black. Then for the hair, I'm going to use this with this pattern as well as these bangs in white. And then after that, we're going to put this on in 3. And then for the outfit, you can do anything that you would like, but this is what I'm doing. I'm just going to add this skirt only, and I'm going to color it this green and in silk. Then I'm going to add this in 3. And I'm just going to layer on some stuff. I know people are bored of people layering, but honestly, I'm sorry. Like, turn off the bow here and just add in this greenery. And I'm just going to add on this one as well. As well as the skirt. And for the sleeves, I'm just going to add this on. And you can just add more stuff to it if you'd like to. I'm just going to add a little bit more here. I'll add this one in the second toggle and this one as well. I think I'm going to actually just do the veil for this one, and then this one I'll do 3. And I think I'm just going to remove this one instead. And then this one, did I do skirt only? Okay, I didn't do that. Then I'm going to add this just to cover up some stuff here that you can kind of see here. Like that. Oh, actually I might add in this and some gloves here. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.